Ready, Kim?
Yep.
Nice and easy. Let it go. Relax your belly. Oh, nice. Okay, and flip around for me. You have that arm right there.